These are the Ulanzi VL110 RGB tube lights. These are really great lights for both filmmakers and photographers alike. These come in at $60 a piece, and Ulanzi was nice enough to send me a 4-pack of these so I can test them out and show you guys what they're capable of. If you're new here and you like filmmaking and photography and the gear that goes along with it, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. The first thing that I thought was really cool about these lights is that if you have multiple of them, they can actually latch together, and now you have one big light. You can switch between 360 different colors and adjust the saturation and brightness. I think Ulanzi has done a great job designing these lights. The back here is made out of metal, so it feels like a very durable, high quality product. On the end, there's a 1/4-20 thread so you can mount it to a tripod if you want. They've even included this small OLED screen for navigating through the light menus, and it also shows the battery status on here too. It is really nice knowing how much battery life you have left in your lights. I have other even more expensive lights that don't show you what the battery life is, so you run out of battery at random times and it's really annoying. There's also 3 magnetic mounting plates on the back of these lights, so you can easily attach it to any metal surface and at 3 different angles. If you need high quality RGB lights, then these are definitely a great option. There's a link for them in the description below if you want to get some. Go check out some more of my videos right here, and I'll see you guys all next time.